Today we're back in the shop with the 1-ton Power Stroke shop van. Good old crusty girl that'll pull anything. She's got a broken mirror. So if you look here, she's broken and it's cracked. I don't know if you can see that. Cracked over here. Yep, right there. So it's pretty busted up, and when you drive it in the wind, it goes like this. So we're gonna swap it out today, and I'm gonna show you how. Brand new off Amazon in its place. So hang on, be right back. Let's get going. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna change out this mirror. Busted, like I showed you. So first thing, get your trim tool, plastic trim tool. Give it a pry. Pop this off and then lift up. It's got a little clip right there, then a little slide lift thing. So do that. Now that gets you into these. There's actually 4 bolts here. One is down behind here. Ford decided to put it, behind the door panel. So we're gonna try to sneak that. So let's go ahead and take these off. Get in here, take this off. Like I said, there's like 3 bolts here, 1 down below. Thank you, Ford, for adding that one below the door panel. That's perfect. No. Okay, set that right there. Now, is there any chance I could sneak this? All right, put the screw back in. Not gonna lie, that bottom one fought me pretty hard. And this one, the threads seem like they're weird. I mean, it tightened up, but I had to be super gentle. So I'm gonna say I bought this mirror through Amazon, and it was a cheap one. Because it's just a shop truck, it doesn't really matter, but I may have got what I paid for. So here we go, got that on, got that tightened up. Now I'm gonna pop this baby on. Again, this is a push-in pin. So you just slide it, get it in the right area, bam, there you go. There she is. Let's have a look at the old one. I don't know if you can see it. Cracked, busted. And let's have a quick look at the new one. There's a new one. Pretty clean. Put the thing underneath. This doesn't wobble anymore. The mirror's not broke. Not too bad. So how to install the mirror on our shop van. So it's nothing exciting, but it helps that when your mirror's not cracked and it doesn't go in the wind. So I'm Dave with Absolute Car Guys. If you like content like this, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Enjoy the ride.